What are we doing today, guys?
Gonna meet with Kris the Shark and talk about how to make $1 million a month in real estate. When you pass a certain level, you gotta start surrounding yourself with people that are doing more than you, so then you can get there. And once you get there, then you continue to strive for who's doing more.
If month one goes by, and obviously you're not going to get a deal the first month and close it and everything, right? So at the end of the month, if you need more money, we'll give you a 2 or 3 or
You're
draw. We're fronting it, right?
Deals closed, yeah.
But we're tracking it.
Yeah.
And so I told him, if we have to front you for 2 or 3 months, even if we never get that money back, we would write it off as an investment to get you rolling, And so here we are, month one. What's he have on the month? You just told me yesterday.
Yeah, he has 13 grand coming.
So 130,000 per month. He's got set to close, and it's multiple deals, right? Now, one thing you guys are going to want to consider, right? And I'm only going to recommend you things that I do because it works, right? I spent a long time, too much time actually, just only doing deals in California because I was like, I don't want to fucking do deals out of state.
We were just talking.
Yeah. No, me too. And I was just like, I don't want to do it. Even though early on, I was doing deals here and in Florida, 2 markets.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was like, I'm not doing enough in Florida, and my deals in Cali are just way bigger, right? But once I got the marketing machine dialed in, we get leads all over the place. And the cool thing about other states is easier to get deals, right? Like you can get a little shitty deal in Ohio, make fucking $7 grand. It's not gonna change your life or your life, but that's 1 month's worth of pay for your guy. That's 1 month's worth of marketing costs for your shit.
And it's easy for them.
And it's easier, and they have leads all day.
We were just talking about on the way here, we want to get this system down first, at least get it dialed in, and then know that, like you said, the leads are being well taken care of, and then we'll duplicate to another market. But
Yeah.
until this is like,
It has to be dialed in for
has to
sure.
be dialed in, yeah.
Well, the easiest thing to do is on the Google, they plant seeds, harvest at the end of the year. Between the time they plant and the time harvest comes, they gotta cultivate the seeds they plant, right? But even if they do everything right, if there's no rain, harvest is bad. If there's too much rain, harvest is bad, right? This is kind of the same way. So you have 2 types of seeds, right? Seed number 1 is gonna be the marketing. In other words, marketing money that you're spending on marketing.
Yeah.
The other type of seed is the people inside the infrastructure.
Yeah.
So you can't just plant seeds in the ground and then not nurture the seeds. They have to till the soil and get rid of the weeds and all that shit, right? This works the same way. So like this plan here is already good. The only thing that's missing is a couple things, right? One is you have to do to do 100 deals a year. It takes more marketing than this. That's the bottom line. You have to spend more money. Now, where you want to allocate the money, there's options. We could put like $2,500 a month on SMS is nothing. You guys could be doing
Yeah.
$10,000 a month. Your phone would be ringing off the fucking hook